In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Phantom to a DApp from your phone using Wallet Connect. If you're eager to dive into the world of decentralized applications or DApps, you'll find that uniting Phantom with Wallet Connect makes the process incredibly straightforward. Let's get started so you can enjoy a smoother Web3 experience. Begin by heading over to your computer. Now think about which DApp you would like to explore. Whether it's Jupiter for your DeFi exchanges or Magic Eden for NFT marketplaces, make your selection. Once you're on the DApp's webpage, look for the option that says Connect Wallet. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this option. You'll see a list of connection choices pop up, and from that list, select Wallet Connect. This action will prompt a QR code to appear on your screen. This code is your bridge to the desired DApp. Next, let's switch over to your phone, where you have the Phantom app installed. Open up the app, and at the top you'll notice a small QR icon. Tap on this icon, which will activate the camera feature of your device. Position your phone so that it clearly scans the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Within moments, you'll see a request to approve the connection. Just tap to approve it, and almost instantly you will notice that your phone is now connected to the DApp through Wallet Connect. And there you have it, a seamless connection to your chosen DApp. Just like that, you're all set to navigate the realms of decentralized finance, or NFTs, with ease. The combination of Phantom and Wallet Connect truly makes accessing Web3 a breeze, saving you time and effort. This setup ensures a secure and efficient way to manage your digital assets on the go. Always ensure that your Phantom app is updated to the latest version for the best performance and security. Additionally, remember to disconnect from any DApp once you're done with your session, protecting your wallet from unwanted connections. Furthermore, the beauty of using Wallet Connect is in its versatility. It isn't limited to merely one or two DApps. As you gain more confidence, feel free to explore and connect with other compatible applications, expanding your experience and engagement in the crypto world. With this newfound knowledge, you can now enjoy seamless transitions and secure connections between your devices. In conclusion, connecting Phantom to a DApp with Wallet Connect is as effortless as it is effective. By following these steps, you'll be actively participating in the decentralized market, all from the convenience of your phone. Enjoy your exploration of Web3, and until next time,